Hey guys, it's Adrian. I'm going to be showing you a move called the shooting star. Alright, so now I'm going to break down how to do the shooting star. You're going to want to practice jumping. So first thing, you're going to get confident on jumping off your left foot. You're going to use your right foot to give you momentum to press on up, okay? So you're going to practice just a quick little hop like that. So it's like my right foot leads, but I jump off my left foot. Okay, now you're going to take it down. So you're going to be in the front right here. You're going to step with that left foot, just kind of up top. We're going to lead with our right leg again and hop. So you're going to practice that until you start to get more confident. Go ahead and land back on your hand. Now once you're comfortable enough, you're going to try to land on your hip and your body. It's really important when you land that you land on everything at once, so it softens the momentum and it just layers it out evenly, okay? Because if you end up landing on your hip, you're gonna feel that. So right here, now I'm gonna land flat. I'm gonna put both hands down. Okay, again. Okay, now start practicing jumping higher and higher. Now you can see my hands, they're reaching for the floor so that I land evenly. Here it is in context. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.